Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to see trending on X. So let's go to X application on my phone, and you want to go to Explore tab at the bottom side of the screen, which looks like magnifying glass icon, and at the top please select trending section, and here you will see a real-time list of the current trending topics and also hashtags. And by the way, this page can be personalized to you or based on your location. So if you want to change that, you have to go to settings in the top right corner of your screen, and here you can select if you want to see content in your current location, and also if you want to personalize your trending page just for you. Tap done button if you apply any changes to save them. And that's basically how you can see trending on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.